Hi, I'm Joanne Mariel Palisoc, and please join me as I share to you one of my secrets in making PowerPoint slides. This is the Adobe SparkPost graphic design and story templates. So, about this app, it is the fun, fast, and easy way to create stunning graphics for any occasion. And if you will open this app, this is how it would look like. If you will click the add button, it will lead you to different sample backgrounds that you can edit, but you can also choose gallery or solid color if you wanted to. Apart from that, I also prefer to use the templates because it will give me lots of templates that I can use to edit whatever content that I wanted to, especially for PowerPoint slides. So there you go. School, business, wow, lifestyle, seasonal, or collage, and many other more. As you can see, there are lots of templates that I can choose from. However, for those marked with that yellow icon, it is just only for premium users. Example, I already chose a template that I can edit. I will click add. It will let me add text, image, or icon. But if I will click colors, it will lead me to different color palettes that I could choose from. But if I will click animation, it will of course lead me to different animation for text. Now, if I would like to change the layout, it would lead me to these options and even adjusting border. I could also adjust the border if I click layout. Other than that, I think I could also change the color and even the design of my content. So there are different colors and designs available there. Now let's try to edit a PowerPoint slide. So the topic would be nature of religion according to Emil Durkheim. So there, check. So think I have to adjust this. So first, let's just remove this one, this pencil there, and let us also change these or delete these. Delete. So let's also adjust the size of this text. There you go. There. Then next, I think we should also put according to Emil Durkheim. What do you think? I think let's just put first according to. There. According to plus 3 periods. Check. Oh, I'm kind of hesitant, but there you go. Next, let's change its size. I think we have to make it bigger, but not that big. Let's just make it like this. There you go. According to. And I think we should also put a picture of Emil Durkheim so that students can visualize his image. So I think I've downloaded it before. Not here. Downloads. There. I have many downloaded photos. So there. Emil Durkheim. Wow, how lovely that picture is. Let's adjust this. I think we have to crop this. What shape could it be? Yes, oval. There you go. I think I have to adjust this text. There. A little bit there. So, of course, I should also edit this to Emil Durkheim so that the students will know who this person is. It would be relevant for me to put the name of this person here so that they could easily identify who is he, or else they might get confused. There, adjust. But what about the nature of religion? Oh, wait. Do I have to put effects? No, not this one. Not this one. Not even this. It's just the same. Oh, I cannot read it. No. I think it's okay not to put, but let's try. So there, you could choose from lots of shapes in SparkPost, but you could also choose not to put any effects on the text if it is not needed. So I think we're okay with this. Yeah, there you go. Now I think it would be better if I will put the content here. So what is the nature of religion according to Emil Durkheim? So first, let me change this one. Number one, let me put this. Religion has a clear distinction between what would it be? I forgot. Distinction of the profane and the sacred. So there you go. That is the first characteristic or nature of religion according to Emil Durkheim. So I think we have to adjust this text so that it could be readable by the students. There. Oh, it's quite big, not that big. Okay, let's adjust it. No, a bit shorter or smaller rather. There. Okay. Religion is a clear distinction of the profane and the sacred. So let's try if this according to Emil Durkheim would be better if we put it in the middle. But apart from that, let's also edit this one. So this would be deleted and the other ones will also be deleted. Let's just duplicate the first one so that the size will not be changed and it will be the same. So number 2. Let's put the number 2 now. Number 2, let's type. Religion considers belief and faith as forms of acceptance of, let's put off, sacred things without any clear evidence or proof. There, that's the second nature of religion according to Emil Durkheim. So let's put it next to this first nature of religion according to him. So there you go. Now let's duplicate this one again and then change the content. Number 3, it would be religion uses rituals and develops organized forms of practices to stimulate the faith of people. Faith of the people or of people. Yeah. There you go. But we still have to adjust this because there is still a fourth nature of religion according to Emil Durkheim. So there. And again, let's duplicate the third one. There. Let's change the content. Number 4. Faithful members gather to organize religious communities. There. Organize religious communities. Okay, that looks good now. Let's align it to the other one, or the 3 characteristics or nature of religion. There you go. Now let's make adjustments if it's necessary. So there, the picture. There you go. And I think we could also move the according to Emil Durkheim. Well, I think that it's already okay if we put it in the middle, but to emphasize that it is Emil Durkheim, let's make it let's put it to the right. So to save that, click the button at the top and click image. So there, it's preparing to save your post, and there you go, the image has already been saved. That's all. Thank you. I hope I was able to help you to have an idea on how to create your own slides by using your Android phones only.